In this video, you can learn how I create this HDR effect using Photoshop. So stay tuned for the whole process. And if you like the video, don't forget to drop a like. First, convert the image to Smart Object, then drag the layer by pressing Alt to make a copy of the layer. Now change the blending mode of the copy layer to Vivid Light and go to Filter Add Surface Blur as your image perspective. Next, go to Filter Gallery, add Diffuse Glow, hit OK, then create an invert layer and marge it by pressing Alt-right-click between both layers. Select the layers and make it a group, then chance the group's blending mode to overlay. For the finishing touch, make a copy of the default layer and add Gaussian blur, keep it to 30%. Hit OK, then create a black and white layer. Again, create a invert layer, marge both layers below, make a group, and then chance the blend mode to overlay. Or adjust as you're needed. And you have the final product. Thank you for watching.